Once upon a time, there was a king named Edward and a queen named Isabella. They were known throughout the land for their love and compassion for their people. They ruled with wisdom and fairness, and the kingdom prospered under their leadership. However, one day, an evil sorcerer came to the kingdom, and he cursed the king and queen. The curse was that they would never be able to have children. This broke the hearts of the king and queen, as they had always dreamed of having a family and heirs to the throne. Despite their sadness, they continued to rule their kingdom with love and compassion, and their people remained loyal to them. The years went by, and the king and queen grew old, still childless. One day, the sorcerer returned and offered to lift the curse if the king and queen could answer his riddle. The riddle was this: what is the greatest treasure in the world? The king and queen pondered the riddle for days, but they couldn't find an answer. They asked their advisors and scholars, but no one could give them a satisfactory answer. Finally, the king and queen decided to seek the advice of an old hermit who lived in the mountains. When they arrived at the hermit's hut, they asked him the same question. The hermit replied, "The greatest treasure in the world is not gold or jewels, but rather the love and loyalty of your people. It is the trust they have in you, the respect they show you, and the joy they feel when they see you. That is the greatest treasure of all." The king and queen were overjoyed with this answer and realized that they had been blessed with the greatest treasure of all along. They returned to the sorcerer and gave him the answer to the riddle. The sorcerer was impressed and lifted the curse. From that day on, the king and queen continued to rule their kingdom with even greater love and compassion, knowing that their greatest treasure was the love and loyalty of their people. Moral of the story: the greatest treasure in the world is not material possessions, but rather the love and loyalty of those around us. We should cherish and protect this treasure, and use it to build a better world for everyone.